I bet you don't know this secret in one of my old Geometry Dash levels. The level is called Updated Orbs Concept by GeoCrash YT4995. This is the secret. I tried to recreate that one monster chase at the end of Viking Arena.